Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to this quick little programming example test exercise, whatever you want to call it. So basically, this is how I want you guys to go ahead and make this program. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take in a tax rate in decimals. So let's go ahead and do it. So as in decimal, you know that a tax rate can only be between, in decimals from 0 to 1. So let's try it out. So the tax rate in Beaumont is 0.00775. Alright, so this is what it needs to print out. Now there's some conditions you have to go ahead and deal with first. So we're going to run this program again. And now say I do something higher than a 1. So I do 1.01. So you have to print out an error code that says tax must be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1, which is, and so it should be able to loop. As you can see, it's looping right here. So if I do another one, let's say I do an appropriate one this time, so let's do 80 or 81%. So you see how it returns as in 100%. So you just have to times it by 100 once you return that. And then so another version too. So you have to do a loop. So say you use hello, right? That's not decimals, it's not even a number. So if you do that, you should be able to get an error again, and it makes you do the loop again until you enter an appropriate number. So let's do 15% this time. So you see how it came out 15 with the 2 at the end. So I want you to go ahead and try to make this if you can. And yeah, so I'll let you know exactly what you need to use right now. So alright, so what you're gonna need to use for sure is loops. So most likely a do while, a while loop. I mean, you don't have to do while, but that's probably the best one, or a while loop. And then you also need to use input validation. So that means if they enter in the wrong, input, you need to be able to do a loop that keeps looping until they put the right input. And then what else you need is you need to use cout set precision to 0.00 decimals. And if you could do that, that'd be pretty awesome. But just do it and then send me your code, and then you could do it in whatever language, but most likely it has to be Python, Java, or C++. And if you're watching this, Jeff, so C++. So try it, let me know, and then I look forward to seeing your code.